everyone. So today we're going to be doing a really fun nail related haul. I have so many new products to share with you guys, and I got all of these from Shein. Got tons of gel polish, nail accessories, things and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go through here, show you guys some of my favorite. I might have to break it up into multiple videos, so this is going to be part one of my huge gel nail polish haul. So I am not kidding when I say I am a huge nail polish junkie, specifically gel nail polish. I used to be a big fan of like traditional nail polish, but gel polish is just the way to go for me. I do all my nails at home. I save a lot of money that way. Instead of going to the salon, I probably would have spent thousands and thousands of dollars doing my nails. So I love that I can do them at home. All these colors are so fun and pretty and unique and different, and I love them so much. And if you guys don't know, I do have a bi-weekly series that I'm doing on my channel called Nail Polish of the Week, where I show you a new gel nail polish. I show you what it looks like on my nails, what it looks like in the sunlight and indoor light, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you guys haven't checked those out, go to my channel and click on the shorts tab and you will find all of them there. I do upload those typically every other Monday. So all summer I have been doing a lot of polishes from one specific brand just because I had purchased a lot of them, and that was from Head Candy Pro, and I still have so many to get through, but I've got some new brands that I'm going to start mixing in with my Head Candy Pro ones and just kind of varying it up a bit with different brands, different colors, different finishes, things like that. So there are a lot more videos coming with my Polish of the Week series. I have taken on the extremely arduous task of swatching all of the polishes that I own. I'm still not even done. This is probably about 60% of my gel polish collection, and I'll just give you a really quick sneak peek at some of the colors that I've got. This is also a product I will be talking about in just a moment that I also got from Shein that made this all possible. Not only can I actually see the true colors and not rely on just some kind of like color printed label of what the color is, I can see exactly the polishes that I have. I actually went through and labeled all of these with little handwritten labels, and it is still an ongoing process for me, but I've actually really enjoyed doing this no matter how big of a task it was. But I just like sitting down watching Dawson's Creek and doing my nail polish swatches. I've been doing them for several weeks now. Usually on the weekends I'll do like an hour or two here or there and work on some of the polishes. But I love the fact that also the way that these are shaped, you can actually like hold them up to the nail and kind of see what the color would look like on your nails. So that is so perfect, and it has saved me so much time with trying to decide like what colors I want to do next, as well as seeing how many colors I have in my collection that are very similar. Obviously there are only so many colors in the world, and putting this together really shows me like, look, how many minty blues do I really have that are super similar to each other? So having these have been a game changer, and they were so inexpensive. So I think I got this set was like, you get the little ring here plus like I think 50 of these little nail sticks, and I think it was probably like $2 and change for each one of them. So I've got several of these. I will try to link to all the products that I can, but this might be a little bit of an overwhelming link situation in the description, so just be aware of that, you guys. I'm gonna try to link to everything I can, but some things might be sold out. I will do my best, so please bear with me. So just a quick overview. These are some cream polishes. These are like blacks, blues, greens, a few yellows, and a few oranges. I don't have too many of like the yellow orange, so I just kind of stuck them on this group here. These are some more of my cream finishes. These are whites, pinks, nudes, beige, browns, and purples. So again, like we got a lot of pinks going on here. These are some of my favorites. These are like my glitter polishes, and you guys, glitter is where it's at for me. 99% of the time I'm wearing like a glitter polish. I mean, it's just so much fun. I love them. So here are some of the glitters. These are like some champagne, some golds, a few orangey yellows, bronzies. We've got some greens and blues in here as well. Tons and tons of colors. the ice cream truck's going by. I have not heard an ice cream truck go by in so long. That was kind of random. Sparkly pink glitter polishes. This is another thing that has my heart. You can see I'm clearly into a lot of these like pink glitters, hot pinks, baby pinks, purpley pinks, mauvey pinks. I mean, you name it, I probably have a pink glitter for you. Next up, we have dark purples, lavenders, and some silvers. One thing that doing this project has taught me is that I absolutely do not need any more holographic silver glitter gel polishes. You guys, these are subtly different, and I definitely don't need this many, so I have put an absolute ban on myself for any silver glitter gel polishes. I'm just absolutely not allowed to buy any more because I feel like I have the same color like 3 times over, and honestly, I don't need any more. And then finally, this is the skinniest one just because these are a little bit of a different one. These are my magnetic gel polishes, snake eye kind of like pattern to it. I have these magnets that do like different type of patterns as well. So it's just so fun, and seeing these colors, like it just makes it so much easier having these little nail sticks. So I am such a big fan of these. I'm probably gonna have to order more of these to finish my nail polish collection because it's kind of gotten a little crazy. I basically have my own nail salon now, but I love it so much and it's so fun. The next thing I got are some like little nail art brushes. These are so cute. They were so affordable too. I will try to link to these. I probably paid less than $5 for these, and it's a set of 5 different brushes. They do have little varying sizes, so I've got some longer ones, some shorter ones, things like that. And they have like a pink and blue sparkly handle, which is just so cute. So I think this is gonna be perfect, especially when I get into doing like dip nail polishes, because I do have a few of those that I have not gotten brave enough to experiment with yet. But I definitely feel like that's coming, so I thought that these brushes would be perfect for that. This next product, it might seem a little bit random, but it's kind of like a sneaky peek thing that I've got going on that I'm going to be doing. I think I'll start doing this in the new year with my gel polish of the week. I might sprinkle these in here or there, but I am experimenting with creating my own custom like glitter gel polishes. So I ended up purchasing a whole bunch of these like base and gel top coats that are just like obviously the clear ones that I can mix and add any kind of color I want to them. So I just got a whole bunch of these cheap ones here. So these are gonna like serve as like my gel polish bases, and I'm gonna create all kinds of really fun, unique custom gel polishes. I do have one that I've already done. I have not posted it yet. I think I'm gonna save it for the new year. But I really just kind of like customizing things like that. And then I got these little empty polish bottles that I can actually put my custom polishes in, can like create my own labels and stuff. So I got like 5 of these, I think. Yeah, I got like 5 of them. They are just like these black matte kind of gel polish bottles that are empty. So that's a fun little sneak peek thing to look forward to in the new year. I got these to go along with it. So these, if you can't tell, they're actually like these little things that like you can paint a swatch of them and then attach it to the top of your like nail polish bottle so that you can actually see like what the polish looks like. So I got those as well that I can put on my little custom polishes, and it came with like a whole bunch of set of these. I think I got like 4 or 5 of these whole little sets. Super inexpensive. And I could also do it for any of the polishes that I have that just like have sticker labels that you can't really see the color very well anyway. And then the last thing I got, I've only used this like once or twice, so I kind of want to experiment with it more. So since I have been doing my gel polish of the week, I have started mixing in those every other week. That way I'm not having to like change up my nail polish as quickly or as often back to back, because I have noticed just from having to change my nail polish so often, my nails are getting a little bit more brittle and damaged from the constant like turning over of different colors and the removing process of the gel polish. So I did get this. This is called the Zynail Magic Remover. Now I want to do a little bit more research into this. Basically what it is this little polish that you apply on top, and it's supposed to kind of like break down the nail polish itself and make it easier to remove. I did try it just once, and I don't know if it was in my head or if it was for real. I tried it on my pinky nail, and I swear it was kind of giving my finger like a slight numbing sensation when I applied it to my nail. And as soon as like I removed the product and got the polish off, that numb feeling went away, but it kind of freaked me out a little bit. So I'm just not sure about this one yet. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more research into it. Okay guys, so that is all that I'm going to be covering in this first video. I will be doing another video part 2 to this, maybe part 3, who knows. I have so many polishes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.